Is your engine shaking violently and flashing the check engine light at you like a warning beacon? You might be dealing with a dead cylinder that is dumping raw fuel or starving your engine, and today we are breaking down trouble, code P0201, regarding a cylinder 1 injector circuit malfunction. This code applies to almost any OBD-II equipped vehicle in the United States, whether you drive a Ford F-150 or a Dodge Ram Dodge. Basically, your car's brain, known as the Powertrain Control Module or PCM, has realized something is wrong with the fuel injector for cylinder number 1, or the wiring connecting to it. Under normal operation, the computer pulses the injector by pulling the voltage low, close to 0, to spray fuel, and when it switches off, the voltage should snap back up to battery voltage. If the computer does not see these specific voltage changes, or if the electrical resistance in the circuit gets too high or too low, it sets this code. The symptoms are hard to miss because you are going to feel a nasty misfire. The engine will run rough, your acceleration will be terrible, and that malfunction indicator lamp on your dash will be illuminated. The most common cause is a bad injector itself, but do not just throw parts at it yet, because it could also be a break in the wiring, a short circuit, or in rare cases, a bad computer. First, pop the hood and locate the injector on cylinder 1. Disconnect the electrical connector and measure the resistance of the injector pins against the manufacturer specifications for your specific model. If the resistance is out of spec, replace the injector. Next, check the connector on the harness side for power. You should see 10 volts or more with the key on. If you do not have a fancy injector tester, here is a pro tip. Swap the cylinder 1 injector with the cylinder 2 injector, clear the codes, and drive. If the code moves to cylinder 2, you know for a fact the injector is bad. If the code stays at cylinder 1, you are looking at a wiring issue or a bad computer driver. If all this sounds too technical or you find melted wiring, it is time to call a professional, because catching this early saves your catalytic converter from expensive raw fuel damage.